Welcome back to a new video of Fun Learning with Smita. In my previous videos, I have been teaching you and introducing you to various applications which would help you to create quiz, flashcard, and also converting flashcard into interesting games. Today, I'm going to introduce an application to you all, which is one place for everything. You can create surveys, you can create quiz, you can create flashcards, and you can do a lot of things in this particular application. So this application is called as ProProfs. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first step is you will have to type ProProfs, that is PROPROFs in your Google tab and get into it. This is how the application logo looks like. I'll click on this ProProfs SaaS software. Like any other application, you will have to create an account using your email ID. I have already created an account, so you can see the dashboard. This is how it looks like. So you can see over here that they are telling you what all things can this application allow you to do. So today I'll first teach you how to create an easy quiz. So you can see over here in products, all the sub options are there. So I'll just click on quiz maker. So as soon as you click on that particular option, you are taken to a new, what do we say, a slide or a space where you will get all options. You will be having your own library of quizzes. So these are the quizzes which I have already made before. So I'll show that to you later on. To create a quiz, I'll click on this option, that is create a quiz. So once I click on it, they ask which sort of quiz do you want? Do you want a personality quiz or do you want a scored quiz? So I'll select scored quiz for now. So I'll click on create scored quiz. So once you're done with that, they give you several templates, several options. So if you think that the content your content is almost similar to these templates, you can click on that. Or if you want to start from the scratch, you can click over here, that is create from scratch. After clicking, you can see that they are giving you all the guidelines over here. Like any other application, it's very simple to use. Over here, you will have to write the name of the quiz. You can write a description over here. There are various options like bold, italics, underline, and if you want to insert any image or any attachment, you can do that also. So I'll just name this quiz. For example, if it is for geography subject, and I'll just write a short description like a one-liner. For example, this quiz is about modes of transportation. So you can write such one-liner over here and you can save it. In case you want to add any image, you can add or else just save it. So it's getting saved and you can see this is how it would look to your students. Now you will have to select the type of questions you want, whether you want multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, true or false, essay type, or matching sort of questions. In my previous videos, I've already told you in depth about each of these options and what is the difference between them. So if you want to get an idea about it, go visit my channel and watch all my previous videos of quizzes and you will understand that what is the difference between each and every option. So for now, I'll just select the first option and this is how it looks like. So you can click on it and you can edit it in this way. So what will be your first question? Just type over here. So I'll type the first question, which is the cheapest mode of transportation. that's my question. I'll type over here the options. This is my option 1, option 2, option 3. Option 4, I do not want it, so I'll click on the delete option over here. What is my answer? My answer is actually roadways, so I'll put a tick mark over here. That's it. I don't want to add any media or anything, so I'll just keep it simple. Once I'm done with it, I'll click on the save option, and that particular question as well as the answer gets saved. Now you can select some other sort of question, whether you want the checkbox true or false, fill in the blank. So I'll show you the true or false. I'll click on this, and again you have question and options over here. I'll click over here. True or false is there already. I'll type a question over here. Airways is convenient for long journeys. True or false? Question is there, answer is marked. Once I'm done, if you want to see how it looks like to your students, you can click on the preview option and they will exactly show you how will that screen look like to your students. It will look like this to your students and they would be clicking. How would it look to them in their cell phone and in their desktop? So this particular option, this particular facility is really very good in this application, that they allow you to preview the questions beforehand. And how beautiful this option is, which we cannot find it in any other application actually. So you can save once you are done. Then you have different type of options, like you have match the column, which we couldn't find in Kahoot and quizzes. This one particular option is over here. If you want to give match the column sort of questions, exact match the column which we used to do in our school times, where column A is there and column B is there, such sort of questions also you can give. So right now I do not want to get into each and every option. Then if you want to give essay type questions where you give a question and you want the students to write a brief answer to it, you can select this option. Then you have fill in the blank, normal, where there is one particular answer. You can give the input to the application, and then checkbox if you want to give more than one correct answer, then you can click on this. So once you are done actually posting all your questions, you before saving it, you can actually preview it. So once you click on the preview option, there are two options: preview as instructor or preview as quiz taker. So how would it look to you and how would it look to your students? So let's see how it looks to the students. So right now I have only two set of questions, but this is how it would look to the students. And once they click on the start option, they will see the first question and the option in front of them in this way. And once they click on the answer, they will have to submit their answer and move on to the next one. And it will give them a particular score, and it turns green with a cute little emoticon. And once it's done, they will have to click on next option. Then the second question comes up. They'll click on the answer. They will submit their answer, and you can see that again the same thing, a cute little emoticon along with the answer being green, and you can see that their rank, their score, everything is given. So I'll just show a quiz, a full-fledged quiz, which has been created by me before. So for that, I'll have, this is my library of quizzes. So I'll just show you one sample quiz which I had created. So this is a quiz which I had created from my students in ProProfs based on company secretary topic. It is, I had selected one topic from SP subject. So, and how did I share it with my students? You will have to click on the send option and you can send it to all the students, or you can send them the link. They will join using the link, and once they start solving, you can go on to the reports option. You will click on the report option and you will find the report of all your students. One good thing is you can see the individual performance of every student. So you can see over here in this, and you can also get the report in statistic form. One thing which I love in this particular application is it allows you to give certificates to your students. So if you want it to be much more interesting, that in one or two lecture you actually conduct evaluation where students get scores. So you can make use of this application in one of your lectures where you give certificates with their own name and their scores on it. So this is how the certificate looks like. So they will get a certificate like this. So this is one attempt made by me only. So I had got very less scores. So you will see all the performance of all your students. This is of one particular student, which answer was correct, which answer was wrong, everything, the required passing grade, how much he or she scored, how many questions were there, each and every detail you get in this particular application. So this is what attracts many of the users to make use of this application. That it allows the evaluator or the teacher to give certificates to the student, and also to have an in-depth understanding uh, on their child's or their students' performance. So you can see all the students have performed. So going back, so that's it. That's how you create quiz in ProProfs app. It's very easy, extremely simple. In the next video of mine, I'll show you how to make use of ProProfs for mind mapping, for creating slides, and also for various other purposes like to create surveys. For now, in this video, I have already taught you how to make quiz using the ProProfs app. So I hope that you all loved my video. Do like, share, and comment about your views. Thank you so much.